So do you also use housing.com to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add housing.com leads in Notion. So like you, I also use housing.com to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from housing.com, I want to add the details into Notion. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between housing.com and Notion. And we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create this amazing automation, and you can see connection between housing.com and Notion. So to do this, I have opened my workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So how you can come on this? So you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. You have to go on the landing page URL. You're going to get two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you have to click on sign in and log in inside your Pabbly Connect's account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free, and automatically you're going to get 100 tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And then you have to log in inside Pabbly Connect. And once you come on this workflow builder, you're going to see that this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and for the trigger application we have to search for housing.com and select housing.com. For the event, you have to select new leads and click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL. So you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from housing.com. So over here, housing.com portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. That's the reason that you have to reach out someone from the backend team of housing.com or your account manager of housing.com and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically the details of the lead will be started capturing over here as the webhook response, and automatically this workflow is going to get started. I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so first I'm just going to capture this webhook response, which is the new lead details. And as you can see, we have successfully received the details of our lead over here. The first name, the last name, the phone number, the email address, and then the area. Now I'm going to add these details into my Notion database. For that, I'm going to close this trigger and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Notion and select Notion. For the event, I'm going to select it as create database item and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, once again, I have two options. Add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go to this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and then you have to click on this connect with Notion. And once you click on this connect with Notion, as you can see that I have already logged in my Notion's account, so that's why it has automatically selected my account. But if you haven't logged in, first it is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only it is going to ask you to give the permission for the pages. So over here, if you wish, you can definitely select the all pages. You have to go towards this select pages and select all the pages. But I'm going to give the permission only for a particular page, which is new lead details. And then after giving the permission, I'm going to click on this allow access. So what you can do is you can give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. Now after creating this connection, you have to select the database in which you want to add the details, and one by one enter all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. And as you can see that I've mapped all of these details, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new database item. And as you can see, the lead details have been added into my Notion database. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same. Be it the first name, be it the last name, the email address, the phone number, or the city. These are the same details which we have received in the response of housing.com. And now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from housing.com, automatically the lead details will be added into my Notion. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.